Hello students, here teacher Pedro. Welcome to another English session for 5th grade. And first, what are we going to study? For the topic of today, we have the topic 18 and it's giving directions. Topic 18, giving directions. And here we are going to start with this map. In this map, we have to check the location of the places. Example, here we have the Montejo Avenue and the Colon Avenue. Montejo Avenue, Colon Avenue. And in this example, we have, where is the supermarket? Where is the supermarket? And we have to check. And the map, we have here the supermarket in color brown. And the answer is in color green. And we start with this expression. Walk 2 blocks. Okay, I am here. This is the location. Where is the supermarket? I am here. Walk 2 blocks. 1 block, 2 blocks. Walk 2 blocks, okay? And then the supermarket is next to the bookstore. Okay, I'm going to repeat. Where is the supermarket? I am here. And in this situation is walk 2 blocks. 1 block, 2 blocks, walk 2 blocks. The supermarket is next to the bookstore. Okay? Thank you. Example number 2. Where is the zoo? Where is the zoo? And here we have the zoo. Again, walk 1 block. I am here. Walk 1 block and turn left. And turn left. The zoo is next to the school. Okay, I'm going to repeat. I am here. Where is the zoo? Walk 1 block and turn left. Okay, the zoo is next to the school. And then the final example. Where is Garcia Market? I am here. Where is Garcia Market? Garcia Market is here. An example is walk 2 blocks and turn left. Garcia Market is next to the supermarket. Example, walk 2 blocks, 1 block, 2 block, and turn left. The supermarket next to Garcia Market is next to the supermarket. Okay, walk 2 blocks, 1 block, 2 blocks, and turn left. Garcia Market is next to the supermarket. So it's important to pay attention. That's all for today, students. Thank you very much. Bye.